Just check if I'm live. Right, so the last little bit I was working on. Let's open this. See what problems are. On line 52. Right, so it says unexpected. So also says there's an unexpected on line 117. That says 116. It's probably breaking it all actually, just as one little code. So it's all about this. Online, apparently this is expected. Okay, that's that. Fixed one error. Then 52, that's expected. Oh. What does it want from me? So it is, but then it says High red ring of death. This is actually so confusing. I've never had this problem. Well, I've never played with this much before. Let me just go back to the thing I was looking at before in this tutorial. Has to be something to do with the code I've got at the top. Let me just make a gap here, so I know. Actually, you know what? Which one's help menu code? There we go, so I know where it starts. So where it starts, we've got a bracket, then we've got and that does not end. So are we missing anything down here? Or is it just going crazy about everything? What happens if I just add these in? Argument expression expected. I did not add one on there. I am. Oh. So I got one problem. Where does it want this star? Apparently it's wanting it on this line. On column 3, which is this column. Any idea, guys? I'm actually really confused. Like, I'm actually seriously confused. We have to be missing some code up here then. Somewhere. There it is. I have to be missing some code up here somewhere. If it wants that further down. But as soon as I add it, it just bugs everything out. It has to be a reason. What happens if I just start removing them at the top, possibly? Okay, so it's not that I want. It has the problem with. Right, so it's this one it has the problem with. So that's after that. No, it's... What the hell? What happens if I try and run it right now? Let me have a look. I'll open remote desktop on here so you guys can see it actually. I'll do more about it if you guys can see it. Oh, okay, it's by administrator. Password's wrong, yep. So that's on about there. So this is bugging about there not being one on here. But that breaks everything. It has to be aware on how I can sort this, like, easy. Like, it has to be an easy fix somewhere. I wish it's like told me more on what I wanted. There has to be the easy way on how I can fix this. I don't get it because I literally just had it working. And then I remove it, change the command, and all of a sudden it breaks. Let me get this test page sent over real quick. Let me just make a short URL. Just check on MC, MC's fine. Create bitlink. You name it what the hell was that? I don't even know what the hell is going on. As I was using this tutorial here, and I've just used this code off of here a minute ago, and it's already broken. I seriously don't get it. Like, what if I take all this away real quick? So from here. Oh, hang on. Maybe it wasn't that, it was broke. I think it's this that's broke. If you see, it's missing these off the end. Alright, so that fixed the error there. So this means it wants sort of these to be here. So it's still asking for a thing there. I will work this out. If I have to sit here and keep putting random things in, then I will. So until I somehow work it out. Am I getting somewhere? Online. It wants some colons. He doesn't like any colons. But he wants them here. What? Maybe like this? Expression expected. Maybe it's just an error. Maybe it's like Visual Studio bugging out. There's something going on here. This is 45, line 45. It's having a problem. Line 45, which is here. I even like deleted something else that I shouldn't have deleted. That code can go actually. It doesn't need to be there. It has to be something I'm doing wrong. Hang on, let me just save this where I'm up to and let me just open it in Notepad++ on my other PC real quick. I want to see what it says. If I save that, just save it a few times to make sure. And then open index.js into edit with Notepad++. I have a feeling there's something weird with this last line here that's going on. Oh, it can't be. Let's make sure I don't forget anything real quick. Right, so it's this one it's on about. It's one of these that it's on about that's not making it happy. Is it possibly because that's not in the right place? No. Hmm. I really don't get this. I've never been so confused on JS. I just noticed I don't have to keep going onto the thing, I can just run it in terminal. Yeah, I can just keep running it in terminal instead of having to go onto the system. JS 111. Yeah, I just do this instead. Yeah, I can. That looks a lot more better that way. This is the first time I've actually had to look up something for the bot. So it's something to do with that code, because I just deleted it and it instantly went. There has to be a reason, right? So instead I should be able to remove this on this one. Yes, I can. If I just add this to this command to a test and then run it. That's a lot slower to start, hang on. I'll just do remote desktop where it's faster, like way faster. There we go, the bot's already online on that. So if I go over to here and do hello, so that works. So I'll do then, instead of having this at the top, I'm going to move it down all the way down to the bottom. So it's not really in my way then. I'll just resize that. So let me have a look. Oh, I want to use this other one because it seems better. It just doesn't want to work no matter what. If I remove this right now, I went up to help, wherever, not help, hello, and went to place. It works like that, but as soon as I start editing it, it just breaks. Help menu. I want to remove that because I don't need it. It still hasn't broken anything. This help, no. This menu tells you all the commands for help for this bot. And it builds as its different things, so help. Shows this menu. So yeah, this is the kind of stuff OBS is good at. Like, look how good it looks on stream. And what did I have next on the help command? I actually forgot. Let me have a look. Surely one of us had to do help before. Yeah, as help, right. So, memes. Post a message on all the cool memes we have currently on the bot. We have currently sounds better. Then we have ping. Oh, I just undone the wrong one. It was this one. Ping. Tells you your ping in MS. Now if I change this, ecotropolis network, I should be able to add a few more without breaking it all. Yep, could add more without breaking it. And then we have hey, post a message saying hello. Right guys, now watch this. This is where stuff starts to get crazy. I just copy that because that's what I just made. So I bring it down here, and it's down here now. Then I come back up here and I delete this old one from the command. Hang on, let me make sure I get only what was my bot. What I just added, which is this. So this is back to normal. I come back down here and add help, and then I remove this. Okay, no weird errors so far. What happens if I just restart a bot? It works! It literally works. I've been trying to spend so much trying to work this out. I removed these two to make it look a bit more neater. Yeah, it works. What I might do is I might remove these two though. Then I shouldn't need this author, which just caused a whole lot of problems, but I should just be able to remove a bracket. Yep, and all the problems fix themselves. Now if I do this, start help. Ah. Right, so what did I just remove? Let's undo this real quick. I removed author. Okay, so apparently I can just have a broken thing like that. Unless I break it off there. Okay, so it still works, so I break it off there. So, okay, that works. I spent so long trying to get this working. Right, so now, make sure it's saved. Now I have to do the code update on the website. Let's add the code command real quick before I end this live stream, because there's nothing else to live stream. So, I'm just going to add this one here, since there's a gap. You can view and download all the bots code at https DanBot.ecotropolis.tk. Code. Post a link to where you can view and download the bots code. There we go. See, because of the way I do the bot, it's easier. I do the bot using, instead of using its own different commands, I'm doing it so that it's just looking for that one message. So really, I could technically make it so it's that I could do something like at DanBot hashtag 7429. Unless it's DanBot and not, I don't need the ending bit on it. Let me have a look. Help. DanBot help. There is a way to mention the bot, but I don't know how to do it. So I'll just keep it as exclamation mark help. So that's done. Help. There we go. Set does the work. Right, I'm in the live stream. I think that's enough code for today. Unless I do a bit more later, but for now, I'm going to probably end up uploading. I'm going to have to make a second folder, because I already have one for today, so it will probably end up with like -2 on the end or something. Okay, well, I'm ending a live stream because I'm done with coding for today. I mean, 42 minutes of code, that wasn't too bad. 42 minutes to work out something that's pretty much essential to that. Right, so I'm going to end the live stream. Goodbye, guys. I'll probably end up live streaming later a bit when Zedkin gets on. Bye.